Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm doing a product review on a Samsung T5 500GB portable SSD. This is the drive here. It's a very nice, sleek drive, very good build quality. It's made in Korea. Comes with two cables, a USB-C to C and USB-C to A. Let's plug this sucker in. It's a very fast drive. It boasts speeds of 540 megabytes per second. So if you're a video editor, what you could do is you could have your source video on here and do all your editing right from this drive. If you're a gamer, you can install your games in this drive and run off the games off this drive and save valuable hard drive space. So let's do some speed tests. Okay, so now we're going to do a speed test on my 1-year-old MSI Raider laptop. It has a C drive, which is an SSD, and a D drive, which is a 1 terabyte, 7200 RPM hard drive. My ports, I have 1 Type-C USB 3.1 Gen 2 and 3 Type-A USB 3.0s. So the first one is going to be USB 3.0 using the AGA Systems benchmarking software. We're going to do a write and read test. So here we go. So we're getting a write of 409 megabytes per second and a read 413 megabytes per second. So now we're going to copy files from my C drive, the SSD drive. It's a folder with a bunch of videos inside. Size 5.87 gigabytes. Let's see what kind of transfer speeds we get, going from our internal SSD to the external SSD. So about 300 megabytes per second. So now the drive is hooked up to my USB 3.1 C port. Let's do a write read test. So write, we're getting 456 megabytes per second, and read 488 megabits per second. Let's try copying a folder of files. It's an identical folder. I just didn't want them overwriting each other. That's why I named one test 2. Same size, 5.87 gigabytes. Dragging that from the internal SSD to the external SSD on the Type-C port. So getting close to 320 megabytes per second. So it's fairly impressive speeds. I'm not going to bother checking my hard drive because transfer speeds are going to be a little bit slower on the hard drive. So that's the speed test for the T5 external SSD. Those speed tests are actually pretty impressive. So once again, like I said, if you're a video editor, store your video on this drive. Gamers, store your games on this drive and run it off the drive and save hard drive space. It's that fast. I paid $130 for this on Amazon.ca. In the States, I think they're going around $99 US in the States for the 500 gigabyte model. But in about a year or two, the 1 terabytes, they should drop down to about the same price in about a year or two. 1 terabytes. The 1 terabytes are around $230, and the 2 terabytes are getting around $400 for a 2 terabyte external SSD. So it's a very good SSD. I'm really satisfied with my purchase. It's a nice drive. The only gripe I have about this is a activity light. It's got a very small activity light right on the end there. I wish it would have been on top, a little more visible. But that's my only complaint about the drive. Other than that, the drive is a very good drive. So if you're in the market for an SSD, external SSD, check out the Samsung T5. In my opinion, it's well worth the money. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. New videos every Monday, Tuesday, and Friday. So once again, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.